guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix bronze gold for furniture accent. Bronze gold is a perfect match for white and ivory. This is known as classic combination for wedding, whilst neutral pairs the best. Was this eye-catching middle? Okay, let's start. Our client order, 1 liter bronze gold, acrylic mix. Let's start by pouring acrylic silver. Then, let's add red gold toner. Stir the paint well. Are more darker. Let's add more silver. Let's also add yellow gold toner. Okay, let's compare it once more. It's almost the same. We just have to add more silver, red gold toner, and yellow gold toner until .it becomes fully 1 liter. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. Yellow gold toner and red gold toner. Mixing accomplished. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ideal Color Paint Mixing TV, for more paint mixing tutorial videos.